Assalamu alaikum, Mikhail. How are you? I say salam? Assalamu alaikum.
No. Do we have, like,
Yeah, little
Robin?
cutie. You're tiny though. Zachariah, that's your little brother.
You know Thrombin packing?
We have,
How tiny he is.
Let me
So
show you what we
tiny.
have.
You know what? I'm just going to
But he's such a cutie. Cutie pie.
in the vagina and leave it there.
He's such a cutie
Regular
pie.
sponge. And then I'll have somebody pull it out like Dr. or somebody a few hours later.
Okay.
You looking at me? I know you're looking at me.
She just needs a little pressure there. It's just every time I put a suture in, it tears a little more. So the swelling's going to have to come down and then we'll just pack it.
You want me to see if I can get you pancake, or do you want the
I
sponge?
mean, I don't want to pack it. I mean, we could put a sponge there. I'm sorry, I'm really...